Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlogs. Today is a really special day for two reasons. One, today is 7th day. Today is July 7th, so if you guys are new to the rotary game, you know, 7-7 Rx7, you know, today's gonna be 7th day and we're gonna attend 7 days like we did last year. But that's not the only reason why today is special. Today is really special because as of tomorrow we'll be leaving on the road trip to Tail of the Dragon. Now, I've been talking about this trip for literally over 2 years now. The RX8 is as prepped as I could get it to be. Fresh oil change of the, you know, I've changed out the fender liners in here because they were kind of messed up before. And these, you got, oh, okay, I'm seeing this for the first time here. It looks like this is starting to get a little bit messed up. Can I tuck this like underneath the bumper so it doesn't get destroyed? That'd be great. Does that work? I don't know. Well, this was prepared until just now, so hopefully tucking it under here does some magic. But yeah, aside from the cosmetic stuff, the car is as ready as it could be. I'm not going alone, of course. I'm gonna be followed. I'm gonna be joined by Jason in the S2000. He's gonna actually be attending 7th day with me today. But before we even get any further into talking about the trip, I need to get the car washed because I'm not trying to go to 7th day with a dirty car. So let's get a cold start real quick, and yeah, we'll be on our mighty way. Neutral. All right, let's go. Man, the car sounds good. So 7th day, if you didn't know what it is already, is a pretty big event throughout the Rotary community. It happens once every year on July 7th, hence, you know, 7th day, Rx7, you know, you guys get what I'm saying. But it's a pretty big deal, but it is especially a big deal here in New York City. This is gonna be, I believe, the 9th annual event on July 7th, where all of the East Coast Rotary community pretty much meets up at a single spot in Jersey, and then we all drive into the city together. And, you know, it's kind of like a takeover, but not really, because we're not going to be blocking off any traffic doing donuts or anything like that. But everyone just drives around the city. They get cool pictures of all of the RX7s, RX8s driving around Manhattan, and you know, it's a big thing. I did it last year, so I'm doing it again. I got the invite literally 2 days ago, so I'm gonna be pulling up, and Jason is gonna be his first time pulling up. He's gonna be pulling up in the S2000, so obviously not a rotary, so he's gonna be parked in a separate lot, but you know, he's gonna be with me, so I think it's gonna be fun regardless. But anyways, I just filled the car up last night. Hopefully this gas will last me until tomorrow morning, because that is when we're gonna be heading our way down to the Tail of the Dragon. Now, it's not also just me and Jason. We do have a couple of other friends going. Originally, Sean was gonna pull up in the C4 Corvette, but you know, because he no longer has the car, he decided to fly down there instead, and he's gonna be renting a car down there with our other friend, which has another car, which will be a surprise. But anyways, all in all, it's gonna be about 4 people going all together: me, Jason, and Sean and Brandon, right? So we're gonna meet them once we're down in North Carolina. It's really nerve-wracking. This is gonna be a 2,000-mile road trip, so you know, I'm definitely nervous for the car. I feel like I've done as much as I could to make it road trip worthy. We do have walkies as well, just so for us to communicate. But you know, fresh oil change, the brakes are good, the tires are good. You know, I still am dealing with that little bit of a squeaking sound, but you know, what can I do? I've tried to get it fixed, can't fix it, so you know, it is what it is. Man, it's kind of crazy because once I leave right now, I'm not gonna be back here for like another week, so I'm really excited. I'm also really nervous at the same time, but like I said, I gotta get the car washed before we start heading anywhere. I hope he's not trying to park here, because this is a driveway. New York City stuff. And we made it to the South Wash, so let's get the car washed. And just like that, we have a clean car, but it is so damn hot in here. I can't stand it anymore. Let's just go. We'll meet up with Jason at 7th day, and we'll go from there, guys. Welcome. I heard you, I heard you had a little bit of issue, Jason. They fixed it?
Not really.
Oh damn, you guys packed OD sandwiches.
Better.
Yeah. No, I'm okay. I just ate. I had a bagel.
Just a bagel?
Bro, why is it? I didn't step out the car yet, but it smells like shit here.
Hot as fuck.
Alright.
Yeah, we need to get going. So
okay, yeah, we need to set the GPS.
Put the address to the
Airbnb?
Yeah.
Alright, well, this is...
And then I think I'll follow you.
Okay.
Also, let's
oh, we need to get gas. I need to get gas.
You need to get gas.
You don't?
Right now,
I'm a little bit below half already.
No, I'm good. But let's get out of New York. Let's
yeah. Okay.
I think, bro, there's so much traffic. The road is so bad. I'm tired. Let's get out of New York.
All right, wait, hold up. I know you guys were expecting 7th day content from yesterday, but like it was so crazy after I left the New Jersey part. Literally out of New Jersey, we went into New York to do like, you know, to do the rest of the 7th day, right? And bro, there was so many cops everywhere. I just didn't end up recording any of it. So I apologize if you guys were looking forward to that 7th day content. But you know, I got a little bit of video from just walking around the parking lot. Hopefully you guys were able to experience some of 7th day do that, but it just completely skipped the New York part. We're on our way right now to Tail of the Dragon. We are putting in our GPS coordination.
It died.
Oh, it died? You didn't charge it?
I haven't touched this thing.
Bro! We bought walkies for one reason, Jason. Oh my god.
Did you bring the charger?
I did.
Oh, okay. Well, we can't connect it to the car, right?
No.
Well, honestly, here, I don't think we're gonna need it a lot. Whenever you need to stop, just, you know, just call.
Alright, and just like that, we're gonna be on our way. We're making a 11, nope, I lied, not 11, a 13-hour road trip straight down from New York to Tail of the Dragon right now. It's gonna be me and Jason. I am already below half a tank of gas, so we're definitely gonna need to get to a gas station ASAP. So I'm just gonna follow Jason to do that. I don't really know how much of this I'm gonna try to cram in this video, because I kind of don't want this video to be the drive down there. So I'll probably end this video somewhere when we get to the gas station or something. So this might be a pretty short video, but hey, the content is back. I know I've been, you know, off the internet for a little bit here because, you know, been working, saving money for this trip and whatnot, but it's finally happening. I'm really excited. It's gonna be, dude, there's so many things going through my mind right now. I hope all of our cars will be okay. Jason did have a little bit of issues with his diff mounts this morning, so we did get that sorted. All right, I'm ready for this trip. Hopefully this, you know, the drive there is gonna be good, and once we get there, I hope this is gonna be fun as well. Really looking forward to this. There's a lot to unpack in my head, but yeah, let's just get to a gas station. Let me fill up, and I'll catch you guys up on all the details when we get there. Our first rest stop, they got the RX-8 and S2000 there. I think I'm gonna try to wrap up this video with it ending here. I think it's oh, it doesn't matter which way we enter. Right,
wait, you were supposed to do a video from like starting when we're leaving.
I think we're gonna start.
I'm
gonna start it right now when I come back. All right, but we're at our first rest stop right now. I had to fill up the RX-8 because, you know, rotary stuff. I think I'm gonna end up filling more up than you, because around the city I feel like our gas mileage is pretty similar.
I fixed the alignment a little bit, so I should get better gas mileage.
Yeah, but just drove about an hour right now in Jersey. I don't know if you guys seen the previous video, but if you guys did, this is kind of like the same rest stop where I stopped at with the RX-7. Oh, also, I high-key broke my mic yesterday, so I hope the audio is okay. I'll probably buy one off Amazon and
I have this to take a 3.5 jack.
Yeah.
I have one. I don't know how good it is. Actually, I know it's kind of
I'm
good.
gonna put the camera down because I'm not trying to record in the bathroom. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap up this part of the video here. If you guys want to follow along for the road trip down to the tail dragon, you're gonna have to wait for the next one. But I don't want to include everything in this video because it's gonna end up being like, I don't know, like 40 minutes long or something. So I'm gonna wrap up things here. Yeah, I'm really excited for this trip. You know, things are gonna get a little bit crazy. I already know. I'm full on gas right now. He's good on gas right now. And you know, our cars are as ready as it could be. So here's to this trip. And you know, I'm really excited for it. And without you guys watching, like, I don't know if I would have been able to make this happen this year. So thank you guys so much for that. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace.